Let's talk about forgiveness in this week's installment of Wednesday Encouragement. There is a quote about unforgiveness that has been attributed to a lot of people, so finding who to give credit to is pretty difficult, but it doesn't make the quote any less true. And it is, unforgiveness is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Essentially, if we don't find our way to forgiveness, that original hurt will continue to hurt us until we're able to process it. And you'll often hear forgiveness is more for you than for the person who originally hurt you. I think it's important to say forgiveness is not forgetting. It's not pretending the situation never happened. It does not absolve the person of wrongdoing or consequences. And it doesn't guarantee reconciliation, meaning the friendship being restored. So what is it? I love this reminder from Matthew chapter 18, verses 21 and 22, which say, "Then Peter came to Jesus and asked, 'Lord, how many times shall I forgive my brother or sister who sins against me? Up to 7 times?' Jesus answered, 'I tell you, not 7 times, but 77 times. I love this interaction between Peter and Jesus. The going rate at the time was 3 times, then you no longer had to forgive. So Peter times that by 2 and adds 1 and goes to Jesus thinking he's got it down. And Jesus' response to Peter is, "Oh, Peter, not 7 times, 77 times. Or 7 times 70, which would be 490. But the real implication from the response of Jesus was infinite amount of times, if they ask for it. And this forgiveness word here means to let go or no longer hold the debt. And I love the biblical framework here. We're not letting forgiveness go nowhere. We're entrusting it to God. We're entrusting the wrath we would like to impart on that person who hurt us. We're giving that to God and trusting that He will be just with that wrath. So that when that person who has harmed us comes to us and asks us for forgiveness, then we call upon God again and ask Him to give us the power to say those words to that person, "I forgive you." So this week, are you willing to let go of that unforgiveness and entrust God to be just so that the poison of unforgiveness no longer has control over your life? You got this. Go in peace.